So guys, I'm here as communicated by the NRM about the presidential message that was going to be displayed on the skies at 8 p.m. I'm waiting to see anything appearing in the skies if possible, because it's exactly 8 p.m. and so if anything happens, I'll be able to record it. If nothing happens, I will still be able to, record nothing. So let's wait and see. So what I forgot to tell you is that I'm exactly on Entebbe Road. That is where I'm recording this video from. So right now time check is 8:02 p.m. but nothing yet on our skies. So I don't know whether it is because we are in a wrong location or not, but we wait to see. I'll update you again if anything happens after some minutes. But as you can see, the sky is completely dark. There's nothing up there. Where my camera is facing, absolutely nothing. Completely dark, no sign of anything, but we wait to see. Guys, I'm back. So it's 7 minutes past 8 p.m. That is half the minutes that we promised that the show will happen, because it was meant to take 14 minutes, but it's now 7 minutes past 8 and still haven't seen anything. Okay, as you can see the sky there, look the other side, and it's absolutely dark. No sign, no nothing. So let me wait again and see. I'm going to be here up until the 14 minutes are done for me to be able to see what will happen. But as far as the 7 minutes are concerned, nothing has yet appeared on the sky. Well, so as we speak now, it's 3 minutes to go to make it 14 minutes past 8 p.m. and still nothing appearing in our skies here on Entebbe Road. So guys, let me give it the last 3 minutes and I see if anything appears in our skies or not. But as of now, I have stood here for the past 11 minutes and I haven't seen anything cross our skies. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for me. The skies have not lit on our side. Okay, it is 14 minutes past 8 p.m. and nothing has appeared on our skies. They are still dark as you can see them. Yes, so if you saw anything in your skies from where you are, please let me know in the comment sections and which location you saw it from. But from me on Entebbe Road, that's what I was able to see. Nothing, complete darkness.